Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of our Messier community. My name is Stacy, and I'm here to give you the weekly update for the week of February 9th to 13th, 2026. Well, we ended last week with our launch of our Ecosystem 2.0, which really demonstrated that we have built a powerful new gateway into the Messier ecosystem. I want to highlight a shout out from a KOL crypto rover who says, "Great to see Messier continuing to build through the bear market. They are delivering a full ecosystem built around real utility and a newly launched compliance first privacy solution. Just saw the new website and it looks seriously clean." Thank you, Crypto Rover, for that shout out. We published an article this week about our P2P exchange, and let's go through it together. So, this article is regarding our upcoming version 4.0 and 4.1 upgrades. The Messier P2P Exchange continues to evolve as part of the expanding ecosystem, with development now focused on the next set core of upgrades currently in progress. The upcoming version 4.0 and 4.1 releases represent the next milestones on the roadmap and are the primary development priority at this stage. These updates are actively built and will be the next major releases delivered to the community. The focus of this development cycle is clear: improve usability, strengthen cross chain interoperability, introduce real world asset access, and expand the exchange into a more complete hybrid P2P and DEX training environment. Rather than incremental changes, these releases really move the exchange forward at an architectural level, preparing it for broader adoption, new asset classes within the Messier ecosystem. Version 4.0 introduces significant upgrades across both interface and core architecture, starting with a complete UI and UX overhaul. The exchange has been redesigned to improve trade flow visibility, order management, and execution clarity, creating a more efficient environment for peer to peer swaps and liquidity interaction. At the core of this release is a unified wallet system. Users can manage multi chain assets through a single interface supported by a unified balance layer, reduce on chain friction. Assets can be reused across multiple orders without repeated approvals, improving capital efficiency and reducing unnecessary transaction overhead. Cross chain swaps become a native capability in version 4.0, enabling direct asset swaps across supported networks. Within the P2P environment, this expands liquidity reach while minimizing reliance on centralized infrastructure, reinforcing exchange as a flexible hybrid trading venue within the ecosystem. Security and compliance remain foundational. Deposits are monitored through mistrack integration, where incoming transactions are evaluated using a security scoring model. Transactions that fail predefined risk thresholds can be automatically refunded, introducing an additional protection layer while maintaining alignment within the ecosystem compliance first approach. Version 4.0 introduces real world asset exposure through the P2P Real World Asset Exchange Hub. Users will be able to trade tokenized representation of commodities and equities peer to peer with the option to execute against decentralized liquidity source. Sufficient depth becomes available. This bridges traditional financial instruments with on chain settlement and expands the asset scope of the exchange. With version 4.1, we are expanding the marketplace because with functionality and accessibility across additional asset classes and trading flows, privacy enabled cross chain swaps will be introduced through interleague integration, allowing assets to move across supported networks while maintaining privacy aligned with the ecosystem compliance framework. This combines cross chain interoperability with privacy preserving infrastructure in a single trading environment. Version 4.1 also introduces NFT peer to peer trading, extending the exchange beyond fungible tokens and enabling direct NFT swaps without intermediaries. Digital assets can be traded using the same P2P matching mechanics already established on the exchange. To further reduce onboarding friction, version 4.1 will introduce a fiat to crypto on ramp, allowing users to acquire crypto directly using a credit card. This improves accessibility for new participants entering the ecosystem and simplifies entry into decentralized markets. With version 4.0 and 4.1 as the current development focus, the Messier P2P Exchange continues progressing towards a fully integrated hybrid trading environment by combining improved usability, unified multi chain asset management, compliant privacy infrastructure, and access to both digital and real-world assets, the exchange moves closer to shaping the next generation of on-chain trading. The result is a marketplace built around real utility, security, and accessibility, designed to scale alongside the growing Messier ecosystem. This is what Crypto Rover had to say about our article. He says, while the market focuses on noise, Messier is shipping architecture, compliance first privacy, unified wallets, native cross chain P2P swaps, P2P NFT swaps, real world access, and a fiat on ramp coming in version 4.0 and version 4.1. Worth paying attention to.
That first beat is right on time, right on top, like they say. That first beat is right on time, right on top, like they say. That first beat is right on time, right on top, like they say.
I'm excited to share with you that Messier has joined Token2049 as an official sponsor, showcasing the complete token economy through a unique VR experience. So I encourage you to come join Token2049 in Dubai. Find us at the largest platinum booths alongside leading industrial players on April 29th and 30th at the Madinat Jumeirah, Dubai. I hope to see you there. And just like that, that's a wrap up for this week's update. Come join us to have a chat in our Telegram group. So follow us on X and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks, everyone. I will see you again next week. Take care and have a great